Hi, this is Jim with Go Gracefully. You're watching part of a series of videos, and this is part 2 on how to create an Advanced Healthcare Directive. So let's get back into it. In part 1, we learned how to go through the Go Gracefully website to connect with rocketlawyer.com. And once on Rocket Lawyer, we learned how to open up a document called an Advanced Healthcare Directive. And here's where we are. So it's as simple as filling out your personal information, the date you were born, the county you live in, the city, and your name. Be sure to use your full legal name. Then you hit continue. The nice thing about Rocket Lawyer is if any of these questions get confusing to you, you can click on the little icon down here that says need help with this question, and it will give you more information. So this question asks, what kind of healthcare directive do you want to give? I need to say that I am not an attorney. I do not give legal advice. I do not give medical advice. I'm not a physician. But what I am is someone who's filled out these documents many times using rocketlawyer.com. I've filled them out for myself, for family members, for friends. So please make sure that you consult an attorney if you have any doubt as to the accuracy of answering any of these questions. Okay, now with that disclaimer aside, we need to look at this question in detail. So you need to select the appropriate option, and this is deciding on whether you're creating a living will, healthcare power of attorney, or a document that combines both features, sometimes referred to as an advanced healthcare directive. Most often, when I have created these documents for myself and others, I choose both. You need to research that and make that decision yourself. So we're going to continue choosing both. Do you want to receive life-sustaining procedures regardless of your condition? Now, again, this requires some digression. It is important to know what life-sustaining procedures are. If you ask most people, hey, do you want life-sustaining treatment? Almost everyone's going to say, yeah, I want life-sustaining treatment. I want to live. But if your condition has been compromised to such a degree that the prognosis or outcome for your condition is really grim, maybe you don't want to be in a hospital hooked up to machines for the next several years or months. So these are important things to consider when you decide if you want life-sustaining treatment. So in this question, do you want to receive life-sustaining procedures regardless of your condition? You would select yes if you do, or no if you don't. Most people choose yes and then limit those procedures. So this is the way I'm going to move forward. Here it asks, do you want to receive artificially provided food and fluids regardless of your condition? So I personally do not want to receive artificially provided food and fluids regardless of my condition. So I would want to specify when I would want those. So I would choose no. You may have a different choice. Do you want to receive treatments to alleviate pain or discomfort, even if it hastens, that is, speeds up your death? Most people do not like pain, so most people choose yes on this category. I chose no because I want to be mentally cognizant. So in my Advanced Healthcare Directive, I refer to the document called 5 Wishes, where I stipulate specifically the circumstances in which I would want painkillers and what type of painkiller I would want, with the hope of maintaining a mental state where I could experience the end of life in its fullness. So I chose no, and that's the way I'm going to continue with this document. Do you wish to include a pregnancy provision? Well, being a man, I do not need to include that. However, if you're following along and you're a female in reproductive years, this is an important thing to explore. And there are many aspects of it that are beyond the scope of this short video. If the fetus could not, I checked yes. I need to check no because I'm a man. But actually, that's interesting. Let's check yes. So for you women who are watching along, you might want to know the answer to this. So if the fetus could not survive, should your life-sustaining procedures be withheld and withdrawn? So this is a great question to click on the Need Help with this question button, because it gives you a lot of additional detail about pregnancy and what other states require or do not require. So I'm going to go back because I'm a man, and I'm going to take out the pregnancy condition, and then I'm going to move forward. And the next thing it asks is, what other specific requests or instructions do you wish to make? This is a very important one for me personally, and here's why. Okay, that concludes part 2. You guys are doing great. Stick with it, and in another 10 minutes of video time, you'll have yourself an Advanced Healthcare Directive. And as I said, keep paying attention, because somewhere along the line, I'm going to reveal a secret that can save you thousands of dollars if you want to prepare all your end-of-life documents. All right, please like the video, click on the like button, send it to someone you know who could appreciate this. You're really helping the Go Gracefully mission by sharing, liking, and subscribing. Okay, we'll see you in video number 3. Thanks for watching.